start kindergarten, you are going to be in your reader's notebook, the second book. So the book we've always been getting that has the number little 1 on the front, you are finished with that one, so you can put that somewhere else. Ask mom and dad what they would like to do with it now that you are all finished with it. And you're going to be working in the second reader's notebook, so there should be a little 2 on the bottom of it, on the outside cover. So you're going to turn into your reader's notebook, second book, and you're going to turn to page 1. Page 1. You'll have a 1 at the bottom, you'll have the lesson 16 at the top, and look like this. And when you are on this page, you are going to put your name at the top and doing your best, putting it on the lines, right? I don't want to write it like this, right? Anywhere I want on the line. That's sloppy. And that's not what those lines are for, right? I'm not even using the lines correctly. So I am going to use the lines correctly for a capital M for me anyway, and then use all the dotted line for all my lowercase letters. And everyone's name should start with a capital letter, because you are an important person. All right, we're going to be working with the words is and how today. Is and how. So now that we are learning them this week, every time we see these 2 words, we will always know what they say, how to read them, and how to write them, right? So let's begin. We're going to read each sentence and fill in the missing word with one of these words in the box. So let's start reading. The man, good, let's sound out words. The man, blank, Sam. Oh, capital letter for Sam because that's someone's name. The man is Sam. The man, how Sam? Which one makes sense? All right, the man is. So I'm going to go ahead and write is dotted is. Good. Oh, beginning word of the sentence is blank. Blank can Sam tap? Is can Sam tap? How can Sam tap? Right, that makes more sense. How? So it should be a capital H because it is the beginning of a sentence. Capital H. Then we make an O, lowercase w. Because we cannot have capital letters in the middle of words. Last sentence. C blank Sam can tap. Ooh, exclamation point. See is Sam can tap. See how Sam can tap. Which one is it? See how, right. And because this how is not the beginning of a sentence, we should make a lowercase h. And then we make the O, and then we make the lowercase w. All right, we just finished our first page in our second reader's notebook. So even though it's the beginning of the book, let's get bookmarks and go ahead and start putting them in this book so we can keep using them each day that we have to get in this book. All right, good job. Go ahead and close it up and save it for next time.